Edward, wala pang nangyayari sa kaso.
Doblehin ko yung reward money para makatulong sa paghahanap.
Ano, pagkatapos ano? Mag-aantay na naman tayo ng witness to come forward. This is torture, Greg. Ano? Tutungawa na lang tayo, mag-aantay tayo, ano, gigising tayo isang araw, wala na sa Pilipinas siyang walang yan.
Ma, please calm down. Dad and I are doing the best we can para malocate si Thea, pati na rin si Aldrin.
It is not enough!
It's all right.
I'm sorry, pero
We all feel the same.
I'm just frustrated kasi pag-alagala yung kriminal na gumawa nito kay Edward. I just feel that I need to do something.
It's all right. It's
Ma, ang magagawa lang natin ngayon is to honor the memory of Edward. Alalahanin natin ang kabutihan niya.
That's a brilliant idea, Marge. We can honor him by helping those who need a second life. Something that wasn't granted to Edward.
What do you have in mind po, Lola?
Magtatayo ako ng foundation in Edward's name. So that we can help those who deserve a second chance sa buhay nila. Yung mga taong napariwara na gustong magbago. Yung mga victims of abuse who want to start over. We can give them a new life as a way of extending Edward's.
Papa will love that po, Lola.
He will.
That way, tuloy pa rin po siyang mabubuhay in this world. Gusto ko po tumulong. To make up na rin po for all the bad things na nagawa ni Mama. Tutulong rin ako. Para kay Tito Edward.
Then, let's plan everything right away.
Sigurado ako, Ma, na mabubuhay ng matagal si Edward gawa ng foundation na to.
Aldrin, bakit ba hindi na tayo umalis palabas ng bansa? May mga passports na tayo gamit ang ibang pangalan. Kapag hindi pa tayo umalis, mahahanap na nila tayo dito.
Relax. Naghahanap pa ako ng opportunity para patayin si Reina. Dahil ever since namatay yung Edward na yan, wala siyang ibang ginawa kundi magkulong sa bahay. And I can't attack her there. Dahil heavily secured ang bahay nila.
Look, may charity event si Mama in memory of Edward. I think it's the perfect time to strike.
This is great. Yes. This is perfect. I think I found my opportunity. Alam ko na. Alam ko na kung paano ko i-execute ng final act of revenge ko sa kanya. It's going to be one hell of a blast.
Edward lived a tough life nung nabubuhay pa siya. Biktima siya ng mga pagkakamali ng mga taong nakapaligid sa kanya. Isa na ako doon. And I will forever be remorseful. Sayang kung kailan siya bumabangon at nagsisimula ng panibagong buhay. He was taken away from us so suddenly. Kaya hindi na niya matutupad yung mga pangarap niya. Kaya namin binuo itong foundation na ito in Edward's name. we are creating a halfway home. A safe space for those who want to rebuild their lives. A place where they will not be judged but guided. Not abandoned, but given another chance. Because every life deserves the dignity of a second chance.
Please accept this donation from the Torricampo family.